Tired of your Apple Watch telling you that Apple Pay needs verification? Let's fix that right now. First, grab your iPhone and locate the Apple Watch app. It's usually a silver icon with a black Apple Watch face. Tap to open it. Once the app is open, make sure you're on the My Watch tab. It's typically located at the bottom left of your screen and looks like a little watch face. Scroll down within the My Watch tab until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. This is where all your cards linked to your Apple Watch reside. You should see a list of cards. Look for the card that says verification required. Underneath its name, this is the card we need to address. Tap on that card. You'll now see the card details. There should be a prominent Verify Card button. Tap on that button to begin the verification process. Apple will now likely ask you to verify your card using a code. This code will either be sent to your phone number associated with the card or to the email address on file with your bank. Choose your preferred method. Retrieve the code from your text messages or email and carefully enter it into the designated field within the Apple Watch app. After entering the code, the app will verify your card. The verification required message should disappear, and you should see a confirmation that your card is now active. Congratulations, your Apple Pay is now verified on your Apple Watch, and you're ready to make contactless payments with ease and joy.